Welcome to TechLeaper channel, and in today's video I am going to show you how to type send symbol on Microsoft Word. Today I will show you two methods that you can use to type send symbol on Microsoft Word. So at first open up your Microsoft Word and then open a blank document. Now for the first method you have to press Alt key and at the same time you have to type 0162 and that's it. If I do it once again, just press Alt key and then type 0162 and here it is. Now for the second method, just click on insert and at the top right corner you can see symbol option. Then just click on symbol. Now here you can see send symbol. Also if you cannot find it here, just click on more symbols. You can also type send symbol from here. Just select send symbol and then click on insert. And that's it. You can easily type send symbol using these two simple methods. And that is how you can type send symbol on Microsoft Word. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.